in this part. You know what you were saying is egg with yam, and then they are giving this egg to them that after you've been baptized, you need to give birth. You know, when they give you this egg, you don't have to bite it, you have to swallow it as the way it is put in your mouth. And it means, looking at this girl, she's going to swallow the egg without biting it. And it means if you bite it, you're biting the children you are going to give birth of. So you don't have to bite it. So eating this egg representing that they've given children's, or they've put in children's on your womb, you will be able to give birth. You don't have to bite it, you have to swallow it full as it was put in your mouth. What a tradition, what a culture. I know most people are finding this tradition very strange, but it do exist. And then at this part, after you swallow the egg, they ask you, what kind of child do you want to give birth? Do you want a boy or you want a girl? So the gods will ask you to choose a type of child or a kind of child, whether male or female. So you can see the first one, he choose a female. The other one said, I want a male child as my firstborn child. So if these children eat this food, it means that it is accepted. And these children have to all come and eat it because it means the gods have really accepted. What a culture. What a culture. How beautiful and how presented it is. Beautiful one. We are done, and it is done. They are accepted. Now they are baptized. This is Bragoro. This is Bragoro. And this woman saying, we are done. We are done. The rest is jubilating. The rest is enjoying. The rest is dancing. As you can see the smile on this beautiful black Ghanaian young girl. And they are jubilating. They are thanking the gods. They are thanking God for what they have done for them. You know, it is a blessing whenever they've been able to do such a thing. It is a blessing to the gods. It is a blessing to the society. It is a blessing to the family of those children that would be baptized. It is only dancing. Let's take a look at these people dancing. As I said earlier, subscribe to the channel NYANSAPO TV, and when you subscribe, dial the notification button and leave your message. Let us know your opinion about this video. What do you think about this tradition? Is it your first time, or if you've ever seen such a video before in your life? Let's know your opinion on the comment site. Make it beautiful. Subscribe and dial the notification button so you have fast notification when we drop a video.
It's ye babunu me boa. O ye babunu. Se ka se babunu what yase. Babunu kire say.
We are fa be mada.
Bo we se mo se ho. Oh, se mo se ho. Why are you say ne? What shall mama no papa animonyam? What do you say what shall animonyam? Enti na die na wo ka kire maba wana esi so no.
Kasha masa mo songs nas no mo pai mo for mama. Compare say be go mo pla ansan obi ehu say obe ware wo.
Mo say ma pla.
Ama what?
And asida be na o de ma wo mama.
Me da mama asese. What it say? I dream perfect way. Never go blind to the mamias.
Or the mamias is so mammy at the time of the bedroom perfect way. Now I just say, Pardon, what did we appear? A year and a hima, and then in penny for. Here and another saying in phone in Abba. And then as that pen say, and she say, young family be good.
Now, penny for nasty. Say, I saw almost a problem. One now, my shama snap for.
And today is how you are sending. We are sending. Send that. When I'm at the cost of being him. When I'm more conscious will be in him. Then I'm not sure for a pro to cook and anonymous. A better than think back about them. What you say? Yamisha Pa. And I just get it.
A dear, a shame will cry pass it. A brace, my hope. Now, young Brahma, I'm saying now, a who's ampa, baby, I would ready. What to say, oh, your ban, how do you see what? In fear bears and do night, do no, do see a coping bears at baby, I would be. I didn't say on prime.
But I say, a baby, I say, I don't know who blame me. And I'm kind of saying,
why are dear? Obe who say a yebi, and a shame will cry, said the yellow feather dear, also by Tenassi, no what came, Ama Yaya also ubi. Oh, my medicine. Now also, a dear now walk out to the wall for, or you will be an and say, who are at the power when you and my intimate Tenassi train. To my mate, Matty, to our mobile, I then I'll catch your mammy.
And catch and say, Uncle Mariam patenting. Mamma, I'm holding. No one to find Timmy and the performance I will go blame you.
Mo, Mama said, Marcolano. Quite bonny said, what done my means, the name was say, would you know more cowards, so almost a beba, now Yago or Mobrabi. A dear, and I'll catch it and my bar, almost is almost to mean train. I will be to say, oh, you know, will be our bar, then I'll catch it, oh, ma, almost so AC so bad, to two more. So almost bit me, I can't be said, what can you do? Then I'll catch it home.
Catch you say, oh, we have bread, we have bread, and we have a transfer and we given to us.
So the chief himself is to share these items for these two young ladies. This is the chief of the community, and she asked, "Are you happy to be baptized?" And this lady said, "Yeah, I'm very happy. It is a blessing to find myself baptized in a community I was born in, a community I was raised, to have such a dignity, to have such a respect from my elders." And then as she is baptized, they are greeting her and then congratulating her for such a wonderful, and then the king is going, and then she has given these items to them, and she's congratulating the other girls too, congratulating her. It is beautiful. What is your feeling? How are you feeling right now? And she explained, "I feel really excited. I'm very happy. I did not find myself being pregnant, and I've been baptized and give that respect to my family. And then I give thanks to the gods who protect me. And I've been, it is the first time, and it is the first time seeing this culture. It is Bragoro. And then Bragoro, it is a local name. We call it Bragoro. And as I explained earlier, it is a stage to represent you to the community, to the people, to the elders of your community, that it is an age you've gotten to your teenage age. And this Bragoro, it is for only ladies, it is for only girls, to represent them to the elders, to represent them to the community, that this is a girl who is also on his teenage. As you can see, this girl is very excited. We will bring you another video very soon, and then if you want to have a notification of any video we drop, just subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, if it is your first time seeing such video on your screen, kindly subscribe to this channel and dial on the notification button, and then also leave your comments so that anytime you drop a video, you have a fast notification and be part of this awesome family.
I need I'm on a hot day. I'm a dem papa so I can be so about Uncle Point, so I'm funny crying, see baby ye.
Oh, I'm out of what coming, and your she, NYANSAPO TV in a Wujina Sono. If we are for 9 years show, NYANSAPO TV in a Wujina Sono. And the man who saw this water tennis you, Mr. Mowanika Krawati, Yagro bra. A bassa who are doing benefits now, I'll be pescani and I'll be paying. Ye are no mammy what and it's done out of one and a niaji, Nevilla Saho, Frisa Tibia or Comuno. I had tears of joy. Cose, bear me. Oh, Baba, would you NYANSAPO TV so? Men tennis you what? I didn't know what tennis you can be bitch them.
Mammy, I saw me grow brother papa in the hand.
Yes, sir. You're grown a brand of a pantiasi. The Onyame and a wire. Nakabane and just send the grown a brand of a patiasi. And Yashi Wati, a Jabua, a Jabitiasi. What you say? And Tifabia and Maname Wati, or warfare, but didn't try to enough in your Mediana.
It didn't be a future.
We and Tombaya.
As Snabusia, also. Yatikwa so be a new.
What's say?
Yatikwa so be a new. As not for one faithful, papa.
As not for Matikosi be a name. Mamma Ticono. Mamma Ticono. Or Mamma Tikokakra. Ampa Netikosi be a name. You have your phone as a power for Madama. At the competition, Bessia, from Kofoli, Tankakuma. Piao.
And they said, Yagro bra, when need GNA, at Sena, one can send who feel saying, send and done at the same amount.
And the mania de pie.
And there, and they now grow my Anna Brassi, you himself, I feel the Yagrone Brevi quiet them. Yagro Brevi, why you say, Yagro Brent, I feel the acquired them, and I send a Brabono free neco, which is at Tuaso Diaco, or Tuaso Bon buying Saco, so beware. And I said the Agro Brevi to quiet them. There be. May this imagine says I'm a good blanny, we are school na mecono. Meko schooner dretre, Minya Majuma, and Sana Mepen Maware. And now Yagro Brevi and son next ubiti me. I can say, "Be your grown brain to me, dear Pebia." There be. I just say, "My name is Juma. We are school and send you my answer." Okay, I grab my dad's piece when you're trying to come.
Thank you very much and see you next time.